How to fix Windows 11 not installing on solid-state drive, SDD. 1. Check the connections. 2. Set SATA to ACMI mode in BIOS settings. Now, time to enable secure boot from BIOS. For example, if you're using a ThinkPad laptop, refer to the IMG below. Google more tips reusing secure boot. Then, run these commands as admin: disk part list disk select disk number clean 3. Update disk driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Change disk format, convert your SDD from MBR to GPT format. 5. Update BIOS. 6. Replace current SSD.